So our next problem is a random variable x as following probability distribution. X is equal to xi 1 2 3 4 and probabilities are p of x is equal to xi k 2k 3k 4k. Then find the value of k. So this is random variable, range is given, here probabilities are corresponding probabilities are given. So we know that sum of total probabilities is equal to 1. Total probabilities is equal to 1. That is k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k is equal to 1. That is 10k is equal to 1, implies k is equal to 1 by 10. Implies k is equal to 1 by 10. Our next problem is the range of a random variable. Range of a random variable x is equal to 1 2 3 and so on, and probabilities are given by p of x is equal to k is equal to c power k by k factorial, where k is equal to 1 2 3 and so on. Then find the value of c. So here probability distribution is given by p of x is equal to k is c power k by k factorial, where k is equal to 1 2 3 and so on. We know that sum of probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of all total probabilities is equal to 1. Total probabilities is equal to 1. So that is p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2 plus and so on, that is equal to 1. P of x is equal to 1 means put x k is equal to 1, that is c power 1 by 1 factorial. P of x is equal to 2 is c square by 2 factorial. P of x is equal to 3 is c cube by 3 factorial and so on up to infinity, that is equal to 1. So we have a formula e power x is equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial and so on up to infinity. This is e power x formula. So this is in the same form. Here this is in the same form except we don't have 1. So add 1 on both sides. So it will be 1 plus c by 1 factorial, c square by 2 factorial, c cube by 3 factorial and so on up to infinity is equal to 2. Now this is in the form of e power c is equal to 2. Apply log on both sides. Therefore c is equal to log 2 to the base e. That is the value of c. Our next problem is a random variable x as its range 1 2 3 and so on up to infinity, and probability distribution is given by p of x is equal to xn k into n plus 1 by 2 power n where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. Then find the value of k. The probability distribution is given by p of x is equal to xn is equal to k into n plus 1 by 2 power n, where n varies from 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. We know that sum of total probabilities is equal to 1. Total probabilities is equal to 1. That is p of x is equal to x1 plus p of x is equal to x2 plus p of x is equal to x3 and so on up to infinity. That is equal to 1. P of x is equal to x1 is, put n is equal to 1 here, k into 2 by 2 square, k into 3 by 2 cube, k into p of x is equal to x3 is k into 4 by 2 power 4 and so on up to infinity is equal to 1. So here we can take, actually we can take k by 2 common. This is 2 into 1 by 2 plus this is 3 into 1 by 2 square. This is 4 into 1 by 2 cube and so on up to infinity. That is equal to 1. K by 2. So here we can add and subtract 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2 square, 4 into 1 by 2 cube and so on to infinity minus 1. So we have a formula 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus and so on up to infinity is equal to 1 minus x power minus 2. So here this is in the same formula. So its value is 1 minus so that is equal to k by 2 into, so that is 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is k by 2 is equal to, this is 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. K by 2 is equal to, this is 2 power 2, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 1. Implies k is equal to 2 by 3. Our next problem is the distribution of x is given below. X is equal to xi is 1, 2, 3, 4. P of x is equal to xi is 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. Then find mean, variance, standard deviation of x. Standard deviation of x. So mean is equal to, mean mu is equal to sigma xi. P of x is equal to xi, where I is equal to 1 to 4 here. So that is multiply the range with probabilities, 1 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 2 by 10 plus 3 into 3 by 10 plus 4 into 4 by 10. That is 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 by 10. That is 25, 29, 30 by 10. That is 3. Therefore mean mu is equal to 3. Next, variance is equal to variance sigma square, it is denoted by is equal to sigma xi square p of x is equal to xi minus mu square. Derive varies from 1 to 4. Xi square means square the range of random variable, that is 1 square. 1 square into 1 by 10 plus 2 square into 1 by 10, 2 by 10 plus 3 square into 3 by 10 plus 4 square into 4 by 10 minus mu square is 3 square. That is equal to sigma square is equal to 1 square. So by 10 is there, 1 square, that is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64 minus 3 square is 9. This is 27, 35, 36, 100. 100 by 10 is 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1. This is variance. Variance sigma square is equal to 1. And standard deviation is denoted by sigma. Sigma is equal to root 1. Root 1 is equal to 1. Our next problem is the probability of getting 2 heads and 3 tails when a coin is tossed 5 times. So here coin is tossed 5 times. So when a coin is tossed, there will be 2 outcomes. 5 times means the outcomes is number of outcomes. Each coin has 2 outcomes. That is either head or tail. So number of outcomes when 5 coins are tossed is equal to 2 power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 5. So next we need is getting 2 heads. So number of ways of getting 2 heads. 2 heads and 3 tails. So if we get to only 2 heads, obviously the remaining 3 will be 3 tails. So out of these 5 trials, we need only 2 heads, that is 5c2 is the number of ways. Therefore required probability is equal to 5c2 by 2 power 5. 5c2 is 5 into 4 by 2, that is 10 by 32, that is 2 5s are 2 16s, that is the required probability. Our next problem is find the binomial distribution for which mean is equal to 6, variance is equal to 2 is. So in binomial distribution mean is given by np, that is equal to given as 6, and variance is npq, that is given as 2. Now npq by np, that is 2 by 6. Here np gets cancelled, therefore q is equal to 1 by 3. In binomial distribution, p plus q is equal to 1 implies p is equal to 1 minus q, that is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So binomial distribution is given by binomial distribution q plus p power n, that is 1 by 3 plus p is 2 by 3 power n is equal to, we need to find the value of n here. Here p value is there, substitute in the mean. So mean np is equal to 6. This is p value is 2 by 3 is equal to 6. This is 18 by 2, therefore n is equal to 9. So therefore binomial distribution is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 power 9.